Previously on BOSSMANVLOGS.
When you not balling on your motherfucking income tax budget, you feel me? When you not balling on that budget, you did. You gonna have to pour the juice back, the water back in here. Hello? 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 Huh? Oh my bad, it's a hater calling. Hello? Oh, hater? Hello, hater. Oh, huh? Wait. Oh yeah, fuck your video. Oh, damn. It gotta be fuck my video. God damn, hater.
There's no reason why you need that.
Slow down squad, get this video to 200 likes. Slow down squad, get this video to 200 likes. Slow down squad.
I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. You heard me? I'm fucking up. I'm not even doing the intro. I literally forgot. I haven't had an 8-week-old dog in a very long time. I literally forgot how fucking much they cry, how loud they get, and how they don't stop. Lord, I forgot. I'm trying to sleep through it, but you can't. It's like when they get that when they get that jump, oh God. I mean, it's like now the damn Coco and Ivy is barking outside. I'm about to be pulling up. I'm about to be up, cause I'm one of them motherfucking people. I ain't don't drink no more, so it's not like I ain't gonna be like, fuck it, well let me drink, get drunk, go back to sleep. I don't smoke, so I mean, smoke a J, get high, go to sleep. I'm sober as a motherfucker. You hear that shit? Man, that shit been going on for like 3 hours straight. I'm trying so hard to sleep through that shit. I just got the fuck up, came upstairs. Lord, I forgot about fucking that. You know what? The connection with your dog is so much better. When you get them so young, your connection is so much better. You know, it's like literally having a baby, you know what I'm saying? Literally having a baby, you know. But man, this is why I don't be buying dogs at this young, cause it's like I forgot. Lord, I forgot. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot. I fucking forgot, man. I forgot, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I forgot. I hate when that light take forever. I'm up, man. And I decided not too many people be vlogging these fucking puppy videos, and the fact that your ass be up in the middle of the night and they be fucking crying all goddamn day long, bro. So I said, fuck. I just came back in the house from taking this nigga outside. Nigga, it's nighttime, nigga. It's nighttime, you feel me? It's nighttime. It ain't just nighttime, it's nighttime. Everybody supposed to be asleep right now.
I'm about to wash this man up. Get him washed up. Oh, nah, man. You ain't getting out, bro. I'm about to wash this man up. Clean out his cage. Get him back in there. So I decided, man, you don't really see people vlogging this kind of shit. Well, I don't know nobody. You know, it's always something for something. It's always something for something. You know what I'm saying? It's always something for something. Nigga motherfucking, it's always something for something. So, y'all about to, for the youngins, the kids who watch me, y'all about to see motherfucking what it's like to have a puppy this damn young. I'ma say this young. Y'all gonna see what it's like, cause this shit is annoying. I hate this. This is the part that I don't like. This nigga woke me up out of my sleep, man. Woke me up out of my goddamn sleep on this bullshit. Damn. Alright, so I'll wash his ass up. I got him in the laundry room. Shit, but here you go. I got him in the laundry room. Cause I can't clean this drain out cause he going. I ain't got time for him running around. So I got him in here so I can clean his cage out. Oh man. Y'all wanna know why I put the camera on my daughter, on my baby? I'm gonna tell you why. Cause it's easier taking care of a human baby than it is a damn fucking puppy baby. A damn human baby is easier to take care of. So now I'm about to clean out. Take this damn tray out. Alright, so I got this drink cleaned out. Got this cleaned out now. So now I'm about to put his shit back in here, put his ass in here. Oh man. He don't even realize how late it is. He just wanna go. That's all he is. He just ready to go. He's just ready to go. So you was just laying on this in the laundry room. Now you don't want to lay on it no more? Huh? You ain't peeing, is you? Oh, nah. Alright, chap, you done been washed up. Your cage is clean. You got that little chew thing, that little biting, ball biting, tire biting thing. tape, man. He just gonna have to deal with it. No. For all my new subscribers, no, I'm not one of them niggas that had a dog sleep in the bed with them. No, I don't do that. I don't do that. That's not cool to me. For all the new subscribers that do that, that's y'all. My dog ain't going outside, getting in the dirt, running around, then coming hopping in my bed. No, hell no. He not about to be shedding no fur in my bed. No, hell no. I don't get down like that. So you just gonna have to deal with it, man. I say, I know all the little slick tricks that you do. I mean, put the cover over the crate and all that shit. I mean, you know, I think I can't say that worked for every dog, because it ain't never worked for mine. But it's fucking dog. You know what I mean? It's dog. It's not gonna make no difference. You know what I'm saying? It's not like he's in the light. It's dark. So I'm about to be out, man. This nigga got a fresh body. He got a fresh cage. He went outside, he shitted, he pissed. You know, he good. I see y'all in the morning time, man. Slow down.